This was our first renovation in the Scottsdale market. Working with Jay has allowed us to bring this project to completion and has turned out to be an amazing centerpiece for our portfolio. This used to be a wood-burning fireplace. I've converted it to gas. As you can see, it became a peninsula see-through fireplace. This used to be a peninsula. We created an island. All the plumbing drain lines had to be rerouted in order to make this thing an island, which then opens up into having an ice maker. And gas range. Added a laundry sink. Adjusted the washer dryer so that they would be stackable. Because we added this office wall, we adjusted the return duct to go into the ceiling of the hallway to create better air circulation. Every thermostat throughout the house has been upgraded to the Ecobee thermostat, smart thermostat, so everything can be adjusted on your phone. We came in and adjusted the ducting here to get better air circulation this side of the house, as far away as it was from the furnace. We wanted to get better air circulation for the AC and heating side of things. These had old like wood doors. We didn't like that, so. All right, in this guest bathroom, we have the dual sink that leads into the private toilet and shower area.